Honorable guests, member of Somaliland Maritime Active Group, good morning and welcome to our quarter meeting. It's a pleasure to open the multi-month Somaliland Working Group. It's my capacity as Director of Maritime Security Coordinating. This is a regular meeting to initiate to maintaining the collaboration between information sharing and strongest of collaboration among all maritime stakeholders. Over the past month, we are collective effort we have contributed to improve maritime safety, security, and awareness of all maritime domain. Today's meeting to provide an opportunity to review development. This is our last section. The discussion to current to challenge agree on priorities and the actors from common period. Our maritime domain remains critical national security, economic activity, and regional stability. To continue with the collaboration and timely information sharing to coordinate the response and key addressing emergency and effective maritime governance. I encourage all participants to engage openly and constructively so that there a practical effect outcome from discussions. Thank you for your continued commitment and cooperation. I wish us a productive and successful meeting. Thank you again.